Pepe coin is down 15% this month. Will we see Pepe coin break all-time highs in July? That's what it looks like it's setting up towards. Before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below, and welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host, Umar Khan, and today we're talking about none other than our fan favorite Pepe coin. This coin everyone just can't get enough of. It's crazy how much this coin grown from just starting off in the bear market to now being in these crazy levels, breaking all-time highs just a couple weeks ago, and now we're looking like we're setting up for its next big pump. So we're taking a look at the overall crypto market, guys. We're currently sitting on a 51 in terms of the fear and greed index. We're slowly, I feel like, creeping back towards the greed as greens are starting to cross the board. Bitcoin sitting at 64,000, Ethereum sitting at $3,500, and pretty strong there. We're seeing a little bit red on the week. However, on the day, we're looking green, and that's what I like to see. I'm anticipating this weekend to see some pumps. All right, now we go to the trending tab, guys, and we see Pepe coin is not trending. It's interesting to say that because Pepe coin has been holding its position in the trending for weeks and weeks now. And the fact that it's not even here, it's interesting. Is Pepe coin fading away? Are people just over our frog theme token? I don't think so. Especially when we're looking at the news of things, guys. Pepe coin's bounced back from critical support levels. It's a do or die ahead, and we're feeling like it's going to pump. Pepe coin, again, critical support level. So all the support levels are pushing that it's a great chance in July we see this puppy pump to some new all-time highs. Talking about pumping and talking about frogs, let's talk about this pre-sale gem, Pepe Unchained Layer 2. So breaking news, Pepe releases its world's first meme coin Layer 2 blockchain, Pepe Unchained. So Pepe has its own blockchain. Congrats, you're early to the party. Buy now and stake during the pre-sale to max out your rewards before it skyrockets. And one day in 10 hours, guys, the pre-sale is going to have a next price hike. So if you want to buy the lowest price, now's your time to buy. Link in the description below. Better speeds, better games, same delicious Pepe flavor, instant bridge between ETH and Pepe, lowest transaction fees, high volume capability, 100x faster than ETH, and dedicated block explorer. What the F is Pepu? Pepu is here to make a change in the Pepe space. So if you love Pepe and you love meme coins, you might want to load up on this one. The AP reward is insane for the staking. It's absolutely insane. But let's go back to Pepe coin. That's what we're watching today. That's what we're talking about. I should highlight this pre-sale gem as there's some crazy potential here. So we look at the all-time, guys. When in doubt, you zoom out. We see, Pepe obviously first pump had a nice rally. Then kind of just continued trading sideways during the bear market. Then we saw an initial pump in the beginning of the year, pullback, massive pump just a couple weeks ago, and now we're seeing a pullback. Now it's at these critical support levels, and we're anticipating right here the zone to break either above or below. But with all this volume, guys, we're imagining it's going to break above and break all-time highs again in July. Currently has a $4.8 billion market cap, making a top 23 coin on coin market cap, and even on X, guys, growing massive following, almost 650,000 people following Pepe, which makes it one of the top meme coins in terms of social gains, right? A victory for all Pepes. Ethereum service, the SEC, we're happy to announce a major win for Ethereum developers, technology providers, and industry participants. So this is obviously going to be great for Pepe. We see also just a couple days ago that they had a massive winning or massive giveaway, right? Send some crypto with Binance Pay, stand to win 100 million Pepe by sending just 1 cent in crypto to a friend or family member. So as easy as that sounds, you send 1 cent and you get entered to a chance to have a massive bag of a million Pepe tokens. We're talking about technicals, guys, and we're seeing technicals. Oscillars are in sell. Some reason sell. Moving averages are in sell. But here's the thing, guys. When everyone zigs, we zag. If we're seeing a lot of selling pressure, that means this could be potentially great buying opportunities. Obviously, it's not financial advice, but we got to find opportunities. Remember, we make our profits when we buy, not necessarily when we sell. So when we see a lot of people are dumping on the coin, a lot of red, that might be an optimal time to buy in. But again, remember, none of this is obviously financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. But we're seeing between a critical support level that we're about to hit, we're seeing some bearish oscillators in the technical analysis. I think, however, because the moving averages are neutral, we are going to see a recovery and see Pepe flip. But like always, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. Let me know in the comment section below. Are you bullish for Pepe? Are you bearish? And let me know what you think about Pepe Unchained, this new pre-sale gem that has crazy potential. That's the video, guys. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.